Farr Road. I wonder if that takes me anywhere useful. Sounds like fun. Let's go this way. We'll turn here. Fuel? I got fuel. Okay, cool. Hey. Ooh. Man, this is... I like that. It's a cute little gazebo. I'm not quite sure why you're in the left lane, dude. Fish Road. Alright, if I had more time, I would run down Old 037 a lot farther. But now I'm going to try and see if I can finagle my way over to like 135 or something and go home. As in, I wonder... Oh, lordy, that's rough. One, slow down. Two, if I should stop somewhere and check my map. Fun as that, but more fun than having to push the bike somewhere. Wild garlic and mushrooms. Wild garlic and wild onion. I smell that. Because there's crap on the pavement. Yeah, like that. Oh, this is cool. But this is narrow. Ow. And rough. Completely out of civilization. There's still power. There's some houses, which I'm apparently going to go in front of. Ooh, I ran out of pavement. Oops. Well, never let gravel stop me before. Slow me down perhaps, but never stopped. Gravel and a snake. I am on the wrong motorcycle. Well, arguably. Hello. Trees and crap. I am going to go gingerly and slow. Whoa, easy on the throttle there, buddy. This was packed in pretty good. It's actually not that packed. It's just rough. What is it with me and finding gravel roads out in the middle of whatever county this is. Monroe or something. I don't know if I'm in Monroe County or not. Ooh, easy. It's going to move a little bit. You just have to get that out of the way. I don't need that distraction. Very gentle with your inputs. Try not to get off on that. Ooh, hello. Yes, I know, I'm being really careful. Okay, that's plenty fast. $1 million bogan rides this big Harley touring bike on all kinds of shenanigans like this. There is no shoulder there. Oh, lordy. I am not comfortable on gravel at all, and it shows. Last thing I want to do is drop a 600-pound motorcycle onto myself. Ooh, pavement. Yay. I mean, I'm not going to turn around at the first sight of gravel, but I am certainly going to be careful. What road is this? All right. Well, oops. All right, Magic Box, where am I? I didn't quite get lost. I was on the right idea. I was planning on going more or less straight anyway. So that was going to take me out the Bean Blossom. That is freshly paved, which is awesome. All right. Yay! It did turn more or less left onto East Anderson Road. Okay. Oh, I should have left my map on screen. Oh well. Basically gonna go this way now. Basically, literally. Hi, squirrel. I'm still above Nashville. All right. Really? Why would they? Probably not as big a deal as I thought, but they have to slide out from under me. This is a cool little road. Drive, ain't that? Wait, Lemon? Ooh, kind of cool. I think I went down South Shore Drive last time. is. Cool. We go across the other side of Lake Lemon, I think. That's kind of awesome. All right. I'm going to end up on 45 anyway. See how I work that? Broadband out here, this would be a cool place to live. It'd be a cool place to live regardless. I have to have the internet and a lot of it for what I do. They're supposed to yield to me. They're supposed to yield to me. Okay. I think my box hasn't yelled at me yet. Love windy roads, but windy roads with crappy asphalt to suck some of the joy out of it. That's a little better. Windy roads with crappy asphalt going straight down, however, a whole new layer of challenge. My box ain't yelled at me. I'm assuming I'm still on the right road. I have to check because I don't even know if it's talking to me anymore. Get your GPS so bad that it's like, I give up. I feel like I'm going the right general direction. Oh yeah, there's Lake Lemon. Okay. There's the lake. Public public access site, too. Okay, I feel less bad now. Now I know why I went on South Shore Drive to start with, because you can't see the water from here, which is less fun. Let's see. This is no turn. We'll gather and smack this over into the trees. Alright, these lake roads are dangerous intersection. Oh, right, they're going to warn me about it. Guess that was it. Probably just halfway up the hill. Tell you what, my suspension choices have me questioning my road choices at this point. There's the lake. Yeah, long travel suspension on an ATV would be way better on this little stretch. Pro tip, do not bring a group ride this way. The scenery is cool, but man, this road is terrible. I guess that takes you out to the lake. It's a little canal kind of looking. Must. Or you wouldn't put a pontoon on it. Okay, it's still talking to me. Oh, I see. Alright. That was kind of weird. Alright, I see where I am now.